Through camera lenses, we capture moments of our lives. These are mementos, reminding us of our loved ones, the beauty we witnessed, and more. The last thing you want is to lose these precious memories. That's why investing in a portable SSD is a no-brainer. The blazing fast speed, portability, and durability make SSD the best choice for storing your beautiful moments. But it's not so easy to find the best SSD. There are literally thousands of options for you to explore. So which one should you get? Find out in today's video. When you're in a pinch and need to save some bucks, you can still get an SSD with decent, maybe even great features. While there are many affordable options out there, you also want to keep an eye out for longevity. That's why you should choose the WD My Passport SSD. Coming with an affordable price tag, this SSD doesn't cut corners. It features NVMe technology with a reading speed of 1050 megabytes per second and 1000 megabytes writing speed. You're also getting great durability features for the price you're paying. It comes with shock, vibration, and drop resistance up to 6.5 feet. Besides, you can also keep them safe from prying eyes with its 256-bit AES hardware encryption. As for compatibility, what do you need? USB 3.2, USB-C, USB-A? This portable SSD has it all. Overall, WD My Passport SSD gives you the most features for the money you spend. A solid bang for the buck option. Let's say you're a traveling photographer. The last thing you want is a bulky and flimsy SSD. While these don't have any moving parts, they're still prone to damage. So which one should you get? Meet the CalDigit Tuff Nano. They aren't joking about the Tuff and Nano part. The Tuff Nano is probably the smallest SSD, coming in at 3 inches tall and just 2.15 inches wide. This thing will probably fit in your coin pocket. Despite its smaller demeanor, this SSD is tough, with IP67 water and dust proof. While that's all jolly great, how fast is it? It comes with a reading speed of 1055 megabytes per second and 900 megabytes per second write speed. While the write speed could have been better, it's fast enough to get the job done. As for its compatibility, you can hook it up with Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, and USB-A, so no matter the port, you're covered. Overall, CalDigit Tuff Nano is as rugged as portable SSDs get. So if you're traveling, living your life to the max, this will be your best companion. Apple netizens can't use just any SSD. It has to look the part, match the aesthetics of your Mac desktop system while satisfying your needs for speed. Such a portable SSD is the LaCie Portable SSD, matching your aesthetic and keeping you satisfied speed-wise. Besides its aesthetically minimal look, this SSD packs NVMe technology, giving you 1050 megabytes per second reading speed and 1000 megabytes per second writing speed. So no matter how big your file is, it will fit perfectly before you finish your cup of tea. You know how the latest iPad comes with the ability to read and write data in external drives? Well, you're in luck. This SSD will work with your iPad too, fitting perfectly with the Apple ecosystem. It also works seamlessly from the get-go, so no need to format the drive. As for the interface, it uses USB-C to boost the whopping speed. Overall, the LaCie Portable SSD will work seamlessly with your Apple products, and it's one of the best ones out there for Mac users, working right out of the box. Whether you're a professional working at a studio or a traveler on the go, one thing you love is portability. While SSDs come in all shapes and sizes, the best portable choice is the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. The SanDisk Extreme is the perfect combination of portability, safety, and stunning looks. Like other top-tier SSDs, this also comes with NVMe technology, giving you a whopping read and write speed of 1050 and 1000 megabytes per second. With speed, you're also getting IP55 water and dust resistance and 2-meter drop protection. So, hell or high water, your memories are safe and secure. Matter of fact, this SSD is so portable that there's a carbiner loop to attach it to your belt. Okay, what about protection from prying eyes? SanDisk has you covered there with 256-bit AES password encryption. As for the interface, it uses a USB-C to C cable, but comes with a C to A adapter. So whether you're transferring media from your phone or PC, this has you covered. Overall, the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD has all the features you need in a fun-sized form. It's no surprise that Samsung builds the best SSDs in the market. From them comes the T7 Touch SSD, the best SSD with blazing speed, robust build, and uncompromising security. Let's talk about security first for this one. Besides the usual password encryption, you're getting biometric security. So plug it in and touch it to unlock its full potential. As for speed, being the top tier SSD, you're getting NVMe tech with a read speed of 1050 megabytes per second and a write speed of 1000 megabytes per second. Now let's discuss durability. Coming with a metal body, this SSD can survive a 3-meter drop. While that's great, it does not have any water or dust resistant rating. All these power and durability are packed in a palm-sized form fact. As for its interface, it uses a USB-C to C cable to give you those whopping speed. Overall, with the extra layer of security and blazing fast speed, the Samsung T7 Touch is the best SSD you can grab today. That was all about the 5 best portable SSDs for photographers just for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.